Hello, good morning to everybody. I am Pradipta Jena comes again for a new chapter, the Algebra Part 3. Algebra Part 3, especially for SSC, banking and public sector examinations. Once again, introduce myself. I belongs to Indian School of Banking. The organization contact number is 90780-57008 and 977-621-6158. So dear friends, if you not subscribe this channel, you should subscribe and like the channel. And recently you are going to start a new batch, especially for IBPS PO and clerk, SSC and railway and other PS examinations. We are starting the specially new batch for ASO, Assistant Section Officer. Okay, the course fee is 6,500 rupees and duration is 5 months, and you can pay monthly payment 1,450 rupees. Okay, the daily 3-hour classes with free study materials. Okay, you can visit our websites www.isbtonline.com. Okay, now we are going to start the new chapters, the third part of algebra. Already I have discussed the 2 parts, second parts and first parts, and now we are going to start the third part. Okay, thank you to everybody. That is advanced algebra, advanced. Okay. Now start the first questions. If 2 to the power n is equal to 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 5 all into 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5. Okay. And n greater than 0. Then what should be the value of n square? What should be the value of n square? Okay. I can give you the option. The number 1 option 11, 121, 169 and 81. Then none of this. Okay, now time starts. I'm giving the 45 seconds. Okay, starts. Okay, now time is over. What should be the answer? Okay, look at the solution. Look at the solution. Here, 2 to the power n is equal to 4 to the power n, 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 5, 4 to the 5. Okay. Now, we should split the RHS. Right hand side में कौन है? We can write 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5 plus 4 to the power 5. Okay. Divided by 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 5, that is 4 times, and 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 5 is equal to, we can write 2 to the power n. This is LHS, or this is LHS. Okay, so now we now analysis this part. Okay, we can write this is equal to 2 to the power n accepted. Then in the next step we can write this part को 3 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 5. Okay, नीचे वाला को लिख सकते हैं 2 into 3 to the power 5. Okay, this also can be written as 4 into 6 to the power 5 divided by 3 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, is equal to 2 to the power n. Now, the next step we can write we know that already. Suppose since x y to the power n is equal to, we can write x to the power n into y to the power n, yes or no? So applying this formula, here we can write 6 to the power 5, 6 to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, so we get now 2 to the power 11 is equal to 2 to the power n. Okay, or n is equal to 11, or n square is equal to 121. Yes or no? Okay, I think everybody understand. Now come to the second question. Question number 2. The question is, if p square by q square a whole square 5x plus 7 is equal to q to the power 3 by p to the power 3 a whole cube whole x minus 8. Okay, then find the value of of 5x plus 7 equal to how much? Okay, look at the question very carefully. And the option is 10 whole 11 by 13. Option 2, 7 whole 2 by 9. Option 3, 12. Option 4, 17. And option 5, none of this. Okay. Now the time starts. 30 to 45 seconds. Try. Very simple question. Okay, the time is over now. Look at the solution. P square by Q square. P square by Q square to the power 5x plus 7 is equal to Q to the power 3 by P to the power 3 to the power x minus 8. Okay. Then in the next step, we can write P by Q to the power 2 into 5x plus 7. Okay, like this. Here is in the right hand side, we can write Q by P whole to the power 3 into x minus 8. Okay, now we can write P by Q to the power 10x plus 14, 10x plus 14 is equal to, we can write P by Q by P, इसको P by Q फॉर्मेट में आना पड़ेगा. Okay, it should be minus हो जाएगा -3 into x minus 8. Okay. The next step, you can write P by Q base is equal. So now you can write 10x plus 14 is equal to -3x plus 24. Okay. Now 10x plus 3x is equal to 24 minus 14. 24 minus 14 is equal to 10, or 13x is equal to 10, or x is equal to 10 by 13. 10 by 13. Okay, the value of x is equal to 10 by 13. 10 by 13. Okay, so the question is 5x plus 7. So the question is 5x plus 5x plus 7. 5x plus 7 का वैल्यू कितना है? 5x plus 7. How much? 5 into 10 by 13 plus 7. So 50 by 13 plus 7. How much? इसको लिख सकते हैं 3 whole. LCM is 13. Then 50 plus 91. How much? 141 by 13. That is equal to 13 1 ja 13. Then 11 by 13. 10 whole 11 by 13. This is the answer. So 10 whole 11 by 13. This is the option 1. Okay. Now understand everybody. Then come to the question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. Look at the questions. Very interesting question. If 5x is equal to 6y, 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power y is equal to 30 to the power z. This is 30 to the power, we can write 30 to the power 7. Suppose 30 plus 7. 30 to the power 7. Okay. Now the question is, what should be the value of xy by x plus y? How much? Okay, look at the question again. 5 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power y is equal to 30 to the power 7. Then what should be the value of xy by x plus y? Okay. I'm giving the option. The first option is 1, option 2, 3, option 3, 6, option 4, 7, and option 5, none of these. Okay, look at the question very carefully. Very interesting questions. 30 to 45 seconds for you. Try. Okay, the time is over. Now start the solution. Look at the solution very carefully. Given 5 to the power x is equal to 6 to the power y is equal to 30 to the power 7. Okay. Okay, we can write 5 to the power x is equal to 30 to the power 7. Okay. Now we can write 5 is equal to 5 इज इक्वल टू, हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 5 इज इक्वल टू 30 टू दी पावर 7/x. Yes or no? And also given 6 to the power y is equal to 30 to the power 7. और 6 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 30 to the power also 7/y. ओके, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. Now, or we can write, suppose 5 into 6. 5 into 6. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So this side को 5 into 6 को हम लिख सकते हैं 30 to the power 7/x into 30 to the power 7/y is equal to 30 to the power 7/x plus 7/y लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so in the next step we can write here 5 into 6 30. 30 को हम लिख सकते हैं 30 to the 1. Okay, here is 30 to the power x LCM xy, and take LCM xy. ऊपर से कितना लिख सकते हैं, इसको हमें लिख सकता है 30 to the power 7/x plus 7/y. Okay, now we can write, इसको लिख सकता है 7/x plus 7/y is equal to 1, because both sides में base is equal 30 30. So now in the next step we can write the LCM is xy by x plus y. तो हम लिख सकते हैं 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. 7/x plus 7/y is equal to 1. So xy by 7x plus 7y is equal to 1. Okay, so xy by x plus y is equal to 7. This is the answer. Okay, the option is 7 4. Okay, everybody should understand. Then come to the number 4 questions. Very interesting question, number 4 questions.